Wow, it's been for a while. How about you doing? Whoa! I'm turned into squirrels. Oh my god! It's squirrels! But your toner is different. I know your guess about. I'm sure. Really. I am sure. Really, if you didn't get it. Oh, you got to be serious. You're so bad. Shut the fuck up. It's nothing for worrying about it. How could be, isn't it, right now? Well then, of course she was dead. If you see this, but if you don't want to see this, Handy, or you better start dying for long, Flippy. Yes, we are good to be for all time. But you're really ready for this. Hopefully you'll guess very much. But there's nothing to worry about to that. Anyone see my glasses? Oh, they're back. Wait a second. Crap! I turned into a Minecraft! Me too, I turned to Minecraft! This is the powers up!